Hello guys, you're welcome to our tutorial for today to Tradersroom. If you have not subscribed to our channel before we begin the topic for today, please click the like button, subscribe to our social medias platforms. You can find us on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook with the name Traders Rooms. So today's topic, we will be talking about entries, stops, and targets. Let's say, for example, I want to buy. I already make my analysis and find out that, oh, the market is going to be bullish. So what do I do? This is entries. I look for a common place, a place that is good. I say, okay, maybe I want to make an entries here. I put my stop loss somewhere here. Where this is just trade with taking, and I'm only watching this. As I'm making this video, I'm only watching this to see if there's anything is happening in order for me to get into my system and stop this trade. We are actually on this trade. So let's come back to our bullish area that in the market we already made today. Then we place this here. We say, okay, here is going to be the entry area. What is the entry area? The entry area is where you press the button. You say, I want to get into this trade. So you entered into the trade. So that is this pause. You do your analysis, you say, oh, where is the best place for me to do this? You are able to get into the trade and continue. Then in another area, we have the stop loss. So in the area of the stop loss, for example, I mean, let me get this. In the area of the stop loss, so you are saying this is where you are saying this is the area you want to get out of this trade if peradventure it didn't work out for you. So what does that mean? Let's say, for example, as we enter the trade right here, we enter the trade right here using these candlesticks. Though using this, we were able to get the marks. Okay, we want to enter from this place. As we enter, let's say, for example, this red, this cell here, the market actually comes like this. What does that mean? That automatically means that we've lost this trade. So that's why it's good for us to put something here, the stop loss. The stop loss is the area you are saying, this is my maximum. When the trade get here, if I made a mistake or I didn't do the analysis where all the markets came against me, I don't want to lose anything, any of my money more than this. Take me out of the trade. So you were able to do that, and in order for you not to blow off your account. So that's the stop area. The stop loss is very good that we use stop loss because it helps us in our risk management and managing our account. So in the area of the take profit, which is the target area. So in the future, we are going to say, well, how did we really determine that, okay, we want to take profit from this place, which we did, and it was successful at the end of the day. So you can still see this is still going. So how did we do this? Hey, in a way that, okay, we do some analysis, which we are going to talk in a separate video. But on this, we are just only going to talk about entries where we enter. So where we put the stop loss and at the same time where we take profits. So after this market has been going, we were trying to get some understanding of the market. So here again, we come to the other area that we want to talk about, which also talks about the entries, the stop loss, and the target. But on this time, in the revised form, we are no longer on the long or on the bullish area or buying. We are now in the bearish area. We want to sell. So we want to sell because we now presume that the GBP against the dollar, that there's going to be changes, that invariably the GBP is going to fall down or the dollar is going to rise more than the GBP. So we are now estimating to see that, okay, it might get to this area for us to actually take a profit from these sales. So what did we do? We place our stops right here. Yeah, our entry, sorry, right here. So we place our stops above. When we try to check it, we actually use these to say, okay, we try to place our stop area above it. So here we are now saying again, oh, we know that we want to actually sell. We know that we want to actually sell, but if peradventure, let's say for example, as the market gets here, or as the market is even still on this area, the market can just decide to say, okay, I'm going back. Let's say, for example, this doji candle here actually revise and give us something like this. What could have happened to us if something like this has happened? So we find out that we could have been taken out of the market if something like this happens from here. So that's why stop loss is always good. What did we do here? We put a stop loss here. Okay, if I made a mistake that is going to take me out from this place, or what I'm going to do, if you take me out here, please just log me out of the trade. But though, since we are managing this trade, today is on the 13th of December. So you can just see this is, as I'm recording this, is working. I'm somehow watching the other computer. So since it's the same platform I'm using with that account, so I am just checking it here. I just want to use it to illustrate what I'm doing from the other computer so that anytime I find out that it's something, oh, I can easily just stop everything. So what we did here, we put a stop loss here, and this was the area of entries, and we are waiting for this to walk down to this area, or maybe peradventure, we don't know yet. We are trying to see what the candlestick is doing. And by the time it gets here, it's going to take us at this where we anticipated to take our profit for the day. So guys, this is just what entries, stops, and target means. But how did we really place these entries and stop targets in the right place? This is watch out for the next video. That's what we are going to post on our next video. So before you go, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel so that anytime we have a problem or we drop our tutorials, you'll be able to see these ones, or you have problems, you need our help. We're always here to serve you. And you might probably have the opportunity to ask me one of these days, this trade you are taking, how did it go out? Did you win it? So since I already told you the date for today, you might be able to check it out yourself and find out what really happens here. And I will tell you whether if we find out that, analyze and find out that things is going against us and we have to get out of the market or not. But meanwhile, stay tuned and have a nice day and see you some other time.